Morning everybody, StackSmart here again, and yeah, Merry Christmas to everybody. 6th of December. Yeah, it's an exciting time. I love this time of year. I've got the tree up, everything's pretty festive, and yeah, we're looking at the silver market this morning, and I just wanted to contrast bearish and bullish patterns for you today. So over the last couple of months, well, a couple of weeks, we've been posting these rising wedge patterns that have been bearish patterns. So rising wedge here, rising wedge there, rising wedge there, and they all spike down generally after the rising wedge to a lower low normally, and that's why I haven't been, saying that we've reached any kind of end of the funnel or anything recently, but we had a spike low following this wedge I was talking about last time. I was predicting 13.75, and we nearly got to that. We got to 13.840, so wasn't far off. I suspected more downside than we got actually, but it certainly looks to me like we're posting bullish patterns again now, and we did have quite a nice spike rally of $0.50, well, even more than that really, in the close on Friday. So, and then we've started to post these falling 3 patterns now. So as you'll see here, in fact I'll put a box around it instead of, so I'll put a box around that. So what happens is it spikes up, then it just bump down the stairs like a falling 3 pattern, and then spikes, and then it'll get to the next stage, it'll go bump, there'll be another falling 3 pattern, and then a spike. So when we get into this kind of rally mode, silver normally is quite explosive. So you'll see on the 1-day chart, if we look back on the last couple of months, that when we get a rally like this, it normally is continuation. So the last one, let's see, went from here at 14.4 up to here at 18. So there's a $1.6 rally in the silver at that time, and I expect that this will rally to at least this support, this resistance point here at 15.4. It wouldn't surprise me if the cartel are trying to post a head and shoulders pattern. You see, this is the left shoulder, we've got a head movement. If they're able to bring it to 15.4 and then push it down again, then it gives us another of these head and shoulder patterns to further downside for the cartel. So I'll have to see what happens with that, but for the time being we've got this strong rally. We look like we're in bull mode, and we're posting these falling 3 patterns. So bullish at the moment. I think I've drawn my funnel in here, so I think we're going to post to at least 15 in the near future. So if you're looking at buying your precious metals and you're waiting for a drop, I think I'd be tempted to buy them now. We might just go down the stairs a little bit to under 14.5, and then I think we're back up again. Sometimes these rallies just continuation patterns and they just go for a few days, so potentially we could be up around $15 relatively fast in the open on Monday. So let's see how that pans out. I did buy some pandas and some kookaburras while we were at 14.14-ish, and I'm waiting for the koalas to come onto the site for silver to go. I'm having a look at, let's have a look at the koalas. So these koalas have not arrived at 24 carat yet either. And quite a cute little koala walking on the branch, quite a sweet little coin, and it looks like they're going to be released on the 4th of Jan. So I expect that silver to go will do a pre-release a fortnight before that normally, so I expect that probably next week sometime we'll have the new koalas on pre-sale on silver to go. So let's just have a quick nosy at how many monkeys and stuff are still available on silver to go to see what the demand's like. So I'm always quite interested in that type of thing. So let's have a look how many monkeys they've still got. So if we put a quantity of 4,000, I know that we probably got less than that. And then let's have a look at how many kookaburras they've got. So if we add another 5,000 of them to the cart, let's have a look what the stocks are like. So if we check out on those, so the monkeys, there's 1,957 left, and the kookaburra, there's 4,900 left on silver to go. So if you have been waiting for a good time to buy the monkeys, I think probably at the moment at 14.5 we're at a very good price on those. And I'd expect the koalas to come on to silver to go in about a week's time. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I'm going to bring you weekly content. The charting's been really accurate recently, so please subscribe, thumbs up the video, like the video, comment, you know, what do you think silver's going to do before Christmas, what's it going to do in the new year, and Merry Christmas to everybody. I'll speak to you in a week. Alright, bye for now. Let's stack smart together.